see smoke. And it's dinner time again. Tonight we're going to do a new fun dish that I haven't tried before, but I have ate before. We're going to make some Copycat McDonald's McGriddles. But we're not making the whole sandwich that you're getting. We're going to make McGriddle bites to have to eat tonight. So hopefully these will turn out well and it'll be fun to do. Okay, and in my pot I have a half a roll of sausage, a breakfast sausage. You can get any brand you caught. You bread.
And you got taught today.
No, and they're making fun of me today. But any brand you like of rolled sausage, breakfast sausage, you can get it hot or spicy, whatever you like, plain, mild. I just got some regular mild one, and I'm not using a whole roll. I'm using a half a roll because I don't think I'm going to need that much sausage to go in my bites. This is also going to take pancake mix or waffle mix, which I do have, and you got to have eggs and milk, and it says use maple syrup, but I don't have any maple syrup, and as I always say, just use what you got at home. I have pancake syrup, so we're going to use that, and it says you need to use bacon, so I didn't buy any packages of bacon, but I do got bacon bits. It says real bacon bits, so I'm going to use these in my McGriddles just to do it as a shortcut too. But I will put the recipe in
the description.
Yes, thank you, in the description area. I forgot where it went, but I will put it in the description area of what all you would need and what all we did. And I have a muffin pan here that I've already sprayed. And your oven has to be at 350 when we're going to put it in there. But right now, I'm just going to brown up this sausage that we need to go in our McGriddles. So I'm going to get this part done, and then we'll start assembling our McGriddles together to go into the oven. Alright everyone, my sausage is brown, so it's fixing to be completely done. So we're going to mix all of our pancake mix now, and then we'll start assembling our McGriddle bites. So I have just a regular mixing bowl here. I have 1 cup of pancake and waffle mix here. So we're going to add that in. I have 1 cracked egg we're going to add in. Because remember what I say, you need to crack your eggs in a separate bowl. That way it helps you not have any shells in your batter and stuff. So we have that. I have 3/4 cup of milk in here. We're going to add that one. And like I said, it says to add a tablespoon of maple syrup in here. But like I said, I don't have any maple syrup, but I do have pancake syrup.
Same thing.
So we're going to add a tablespoon of the pancake syrup, which is really weird. Whoever has ever added a tablespoon of pancake syrup to anything. I'm sure it's happening, but it ain't happening in my house. Okay. So, I mean, because Lord is normally covered and smothered on some pancakes. Okay, so there's our tablespoon worth of that. And a tip I forgot to do that I should have done, you know, if I would have sprayed my tablespoon with a little bit of cooking spray, all my syrup would have actually came out of my tablespoon. That's always a good, helpful tip to use for when you do honey or syrup or anything. Anything really sticky and you want to make sure it all comes out of the spoon, that's a good tip to do. Okay. And also, I rarely, seldom remember to let everybody know, but you don't have to use pork sausage or pork bacon if you don't want to. You can use turkey bacon or sausage. I believe they have some turkey sausage. And, or you can use vegan or anything like that. Just whatever you like that suits you. then yes, definitely do that. Because I don't want to leave anybody out. Because everybody don't like all the same things all the time. Okay, so now we have all our mix in here. We're going to mix our pancake mix like you normally do when you get ready to do your pancakes. And mix it up and try to get all the lumps out. Because nobody wants lumpy pancakes. You want to double check for me? See, I got the lumps out. But now it is making the air bubbles and everything that it needs to make in there. So we're actually going to let this sit just a minute or two. While it does that, I'm going to set it to the side. And the first thing we're going to have to do is it says to put your crumbled sausage and bacon in the bottom of your muffin pan. So I'm going to start doing that while we let our pancake mix sit there. And I'm just using a regular tablespoon, so I'm putting about a tablespoon worth in there. And I haven't drained this yet, so I'm trying to be careful about, what I'm getting in my tablespoon. Now, I'm going to use this over here because it's still hot and crazy. I'm going to use my bacon bits instead of, my cooked bacon because like I said, I didn't buy a package of bacon. But I'm using what I have at home. Alright guys, I think we got enough bacon and everything. Let me wash my hands real quick. Alright, now it's time to pour the batter in. And we'll see if I can do this with this because I do have a little spout on my bowl. So I'm hoping this is going to work. And this says you need to fill it about halfway full because they will still, rise up. Just to make sure I'm going to have enough and make it go all the way through, we're going to get out the trusty spatula to get all the rest of the pancake batter into this last cup. guys, that looks about good, even though this little one looks like half. But we're gonna go with that. Now you need a half a cup of cheese, and we're gonna put that on the top. Oh no, I ran out of cheese. Sorry guys, I got more cheese. Okay, I'm gonna get some more cheese to put on the very last one. Now, like I said, we have the oven heated up to 350, and we're gonna put these in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes until they puff up like raised up muffins, and they'll be golden brown also. So we're going to check back in about 15 or 20 minutes to see if these are ready to go, and then we'll give them a try. Alright everybody, our Copycat McGriddle bites are ready to go. They're all nice and golden brown like they're supposed to be, and they do actually smell like a McGriddle. And I have some syrup here, so we're going to, because they're still really hot, I'm going to use a fork here and everything until it finishes. Oh, my sausage are falling out of my pancake. Okay, and as you can see, yes, you can see the sausage on the bottom and all the pancake at the top. So I'm going to dip this in my syrup and holy snot, Jesus. Oh God. I didn't mean to do that. It went swimming.
Well, you got plenty of syrup now.
Oh yeah, I got plenty of syrup. I'm going to be diabetic by the time I get done with this. Okay. I'm not going to lie, guys. That actually does taste just like a McGriddle. It's really good. The pancake's nice and done and fluffy. And you can taste the syrup and the sausage and everything with it too. But yeah, these are really good and they wasn't too hard to make. But I hope you enjoy this recipe. And as always, remember to like, subscribe, ring that notification bell. Hey, holler at us, leave us a comment. Tell us how we're doing. And we'll see you guys next time and enjoy cooking.